Gardening enthusiasts often encounter the challenge of maintaining the upright posture of their beloved plants, especially when they become top-heavy and prone to tipping over. This issue can be attributed to various factors such as rapid growth, inadequate support, or imbalanced watering. However, with a thoughtful approach and some proactive measures, you can ensure that your plants stand tall and thrive. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore strategies to prevent your plants from becoming top-heavy and falling over. Understanding the causes. Rapid growth. Plants that experience sudden growth spurts may struggle to establish a strong root system quickly enough to support their increasing height. Inadequate support. Insufficient support structures or inappropriate containers can contribute to instability, particularly as plants gain height and weight. Imbalanced watering. Uneven water distribution can lead to uneven growth, making the plant top-heavy. Additionally, overwatering can weaken the roots and make them less effective in anchoring the plant. Strategies for prevention. Selecting the right container. Opt for containers with a wide base to provide stability. Choose pots made of durable materials to withstand the plant's weight. Ensure containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can compromise root health. Choosing the right soil. Use a well-drained potting mix to promote healthy root development. Incorporate organic matter to enhance soil structure and water retention. Proactive staking. Install stakes early in the plant's growth to provide support as it develops. Use materials such as bamboo or metal stakes, and secure them loosely to avoid damaging the plant. Regular pruning. Trim excess growth to encourage a more compact and balanced shape. Focus on removing dead or weak branches to redirect the plant's energy to healthier growth. Watering wisely. Implement a consistent watering schedule to maintain soil moisture levels. Water at the base of the plant to encourage deep root growth, enhancing stability. Implementing support structures. Consider using cages, trellises, or plant supports to bolster top-heavy plants. Adjust the support as the plant grows to accommodate its changing shape. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to regulate soil temperature and moisture. Mulch also helps prevent soil compaction, fostering optimal root growth. Conclusion. By addressing the root causes of top heaviness and implementing these preventative measures, you can ensure that your plants remain upright and healthy throughout their growth. A combination of proper support structures, mindful pruning, and attentive care will contribute to the stability and longevity of your garden's green companions. Celebrate your plant's successes and continue to refine your gardening techniques for a thriving, balanced garden.